Greetings to all. Welcome to AWS planning session. Srinivas here. We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Thank you.
So Srinivas, just a question, is just for 5 days or 5 weeks?
This AWS Solution Architect Associate course is designed for 5 weeks,
Okay,
30 to 45 days. This 5 days is free to attend to the sessions. Just
okay,
register and we can attend without paying the course fee. You can attend 5 days for free.
okay. I mean, still 4, 5, 6, and 9, 10. It's a free demo, right? Okay,
Yeah, free to attend these live sessions.
okay. And after that, the course will start, right?
Yeah, course is already started. I'm going to
Okay,
explain the course. These 5 days also included in that 5 weeks. Okay, so whoever is interested, they are going to register and continue for that course.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's start. Greetings to all. Welcome to AWS Solution Architect Associate Training Sessions. Srinivas here. This is the day 2 of 5 days of free to attend live sessions. This course is for 5 weeks, 30 to 45 days. Depends upon the way it progress, the course explanations, and understanding the course content. If you are able to understand course content, the schedule is to 30 days, 30 hours, 30 sessions total. So if it is, again, it can be extendable and it may be extend according to the course progress. So it is not so stopper. We need to complete the course. There is no hurry at all. And it is has to understand the course content, then we'll extend. Yes. So whoever not able to speak, let join us. I'm going to allow to unmute them. Okay. Please raise the hand so that I can unmute them. Okay, this is a batch 221 and about this course content, you can scan the QR code to get the course content or to register this QR code. This course is designed for 5 weeks and course fee is 2,499 INR, Indian rupees, whereas in dollars, if you are paying dollars, $31 you need to pay. As soon as you click on payment link, you are going to get the details to continue the sessions after 5 days. Okay. If you are not part of WhatsApp community, it is very much important to be part of WhatsApp community to get a regular updates. So how to get? If you are not part of WhatsApp community, this recording will be published to the YouTube. Who are not part of this session, they can understand where to go, how to get WhatsApp community link. This is a logiclabstech.com. Log into the logiclabstech.com wherein you will find this home screen. On that home screen, you will find complete information. You can send a mail to support logiclabstech.com. And we have been providing training sessions that the Logic Labs technologies, AWS, Azure. all emerging technologies which IT industry is looking for currently. So you can reach and you can enroll any kind of course uh, which we are providing. If you scroll down, upcoming batches details will be displayed over here. This is the one way to get the details of upcoming batches. Different faculties are providing AWS, Azure, different emerging technologies, Oracle, Python, Core Java, different learnings. How to get that WhatsApp link, payment link, and all those details? You just click on Home tab on Home screen. You can click on this upcoming batches. You can click on upcoming batches. Complete details will be available. Who is the trainer, who is providing, and what is the schedule, and what is the WhatsApp link, and all those things. Let's just clicking on upcoming batches, wherein you will find complete list according to batch number. You will find, see, my batch number is this training, who are attending. This is a 221 AWS Solution Architect, and the trainer name, when it is started, and what is the window, time window. For WhatsApp link, you can click on here to get WhatsApp link. For Zoom link to attend these training sessions, if you are not aware what is a Zoom link to attend this training, 5 days of demo session, you can get the Zoom link by clicking on here. And if you are happy to continue the sessions, you can click on buy now. Payment link will come into picture. And the course content, if you want to review what are the course content is there, you can click on this particular link. So you are going to get a complete information about the training modules and payment link, WhatsApp link, and all those things. So I recommend first, please register to be part of WhatsApp community so that you are going to get a regular updates, upcoming batches information, and at the same time, this this 5 day sessions will be recorded and published in YouTube. Whoever not part of this training, they can understand what all about the course so that they can interest, they can join the session. Yeah. So this is the upcoming batches information so that you are going to get a complete information about the batches, different technologies. We have been providing AWS Solution Architect Associate by different faculties to cover different time zones. I am covering this time and other faculties are covering in different time zone to make sure according to convenience they are going to join the respective section. We are providing everyone, all faculties are experienced and delivering the training session to understand the content and to make to do your job day-to-day operation with easy. Okay, coming back to this general information. Important information is that initial 5 sessions will be free to attend. That means whatever the Zoom link you are able to get, with that Zoom link, you can attend 5 days live sessions free. Just register, you don't need to pay anything. You can attend 5 days training session and understand how the training is going on. And the same record will be uploaded to YouTube for further review. Who are not part of live session, they can review through YouTube also. Okay. From sixth day onwards, sixth session onwards, a separate Zoom link will be shared to registered participants. Who is a registered participant? Whoever going to pay the amount, that is 2,499 rupees or $31 in US dollars. So they will get a separate Zoom link to join these sessions. And once you make the payment, once you make the registered the respective batch, there is no option to batch shifting. No option. You have to continue the same batch once the registration is done. Once you make the payment, you have to go through recorded sessions and you have to complete the session with that batch and complete that respective batch. Okay, if any issues or anything is there, you can send a mail to support@logiclabs.com or you can reach us on this mentioned numbers. Okay. So important thing is that you are going to get a regular updates about this particular course batch number 221. So to be part of WhatsApp community, please join this. I'm going to mention this on WhatsApp. It's already there. WhatsApp link provided by one of the admin team. So you can join this WhatsApp community to get a regular updates. We have been providing YouTube uploaded record day 1, day 2, day 3 recorded sessions also. Please forward this recorded session to your friends. Anyone can review that recorded session through YouTube. Yeah. So who is going to register? Whoever registered, who are complete the payment, they are going to get a separate portal wherein every day recorded sessions will be uploaded to this LMS Graphy portal. So this is a separate portal. For that, it is provided access to registered participants. From the day 1 to until completion of the course, every day session will be recorded and the session record will be uploaded to LMS Graphy and along with the notes. What is the notes? Whatever the PPT I'm presenting here, whatever the note files I'm going to mention the points, running notes, those notes files also will be uploaded to for each and every day. So that you can, if you miss the session also, you can go and watch that recorded session n number of times. There is no limit. It is a lifetime. Whatever the recorded sessions are uploaded, apart from joining live sessions, that record sessions will be available for registered participants for lifetime. They can review at any time and any place, anywhere. Yeah. So Logic Lab support team, the admin team is available Monday to Saturday morning 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. IST Indian time. Okay. You can reach if you have any questions, if any queries, if they are available at support@logiclabstech.com and these numbers are available, you can reach us. Okay. This is all about general information. Let's move on. This is the running notes, what I'm talking about. Apart from recorded session, this running notes also will be uploaded to the LMS graphic portal. This running notes is not available for YouTubers. So only recorded session is available for YouTube. Okay, that too only initial few days only they will upload, admin team will upload to YouTube for a review and understand the course content. Every day we are going to just review whatever the topics previous session discussed. We are going to review and then we'll proceed with what is today's agenda. Yes, till third session, we'll share in the records in YouTube. Later, we'll share with the paid participants only. 5 sessions are free to attend, live sessions. The record session day 1, day 2, day 3. These 3 sessions will be uploaded to YouTube for everyone to understand. 4th session onwards, the record available only registered participants. Yeah. Just a review. Yesterday we discussed our introduction, course details, training procedure. Okay, and then we answered a few of questions. Anyone have any questions to ask before proceeding today's agenda? If you are not able to unmute yourself, you can raise the hand and I'm going to allow to speak up. Any questions before continuing today's agenda? Okay, silence is no. Let's proceed today's agenda. Certification part. What are the certification, what this course is going to cover, and what are the certifications you can attend by understanding this course content. And register for free trial account, free account to do day-to-day activities, practice, and all those things. And finally, we'll log into that, whatever the account we registered, we are going to log into that Amazon portal, AWS portal. Yeah, let's proceed. What is the certification part? AWS certification path. This is a path of to complete to attain respect to certification. Each certification provides certain value. What are the certifications you can attend after completion of this course? Okay, let's explain. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This is a initial certification. This is recommended for whoever sales professionals or management cadre. For them, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a well suited to complete this course, and then they are in a position to understand what are the services are available by AWS and basic understanding about this course details so that they can present that information to the clients, the customers as a part of sales and explain the what are the services are available. Generally, sales professionals, management cadre, they are for them it is a good to complete this AWS certified cloud practitioner. It is provides a basic information. How about this AWS Solution Architect Associate? This course is designed for this AWS Solution Architect Associate. We are covering all the topics, this one and AWS Solution Architect. Whoever attend this completion of this particular course, they are able to attend the exam and complete the course either AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner or AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. There is a one more certificate, Professional. This is a specialization certificate to attend to get the certification. For general day-to-day operations, whoever working on a Wintel administration, database administrator, network administrator, for them, the AWS Solution Architect Associate is more than enough to complete the certification and do the jobs. Certification, it is to just a added advantage for your profile resume to shortlist your profile for interview. Whereas whenever you are going to attend this exam, whenever you are going to attend the exam for AWS Solution Architect Associate, you are in a position to clear by understanding this course content. Okay. Remaining certifications, whoever going to attend DevOps, their course content is, the course modules are like this. Okay, they can, for example, they are doing software employee, like they are working on a coding. For them, they are doing the development of software code, applications development, and all those things. For them, it is developer certified course is available. It is this course is not belongs to them. Okay, and SysOp Administrator Associate is one more certification. This is also provides some area of understanding about what are the services are available. I'm going to showcase what are the services are available. All those services comes under divided into these categories. So to whatever the certification you are going to go, there is no pre-requirement. Only thing is that you should get an expertise on the concepts about AWS solution. What are the services are available? You should get expertise. There is no limitation. There is no pre-requirements. You should be IT employee. You should be complete of IT courses. There is no pre-requirements. If you understand, if you are able to confident enough, you can attend any kind of certification. There is no pre-requirements for any kind of certification under AWS. So you can attend any certification without any delay. That's what I'm going to provide information in this link. See here, certification path. I'm going to share this information in the chart window for you to understand. This is a certification path. By clicking on that link, you are going to get a certification path link so that you are able to understand what is the certification. Schedule exam. It is exam will be scheduled with a Pearson View Center or Prometheus Center, wherein you need to schedule the exam as per your requirements. See here, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, it is going to give complete information, what is the exam cost, what is the pattern of the questions and all those things. You can go to this particular link and understand what is the course details, what is the exam cost, how many questions will be there, what is the exam cost. Okay, this is about certification path.
Yes, Rini, I sent a link. Can you please open?
This is the link, certification link.
No, in the chat, I send you a different link.
Okay, let me Same link, I click on that chart, and on the chart window, that is someone, Pradeep P. Someone sent different link.
This is me, yes.
Okay, this is the certification link, AWS Amazon.com certification. Once you click on that, you are going to.
So here the path is showing different for everything. Solution architect associate is must, and then go for developer or data.
Okay, I'm going to showcase. See, there is a one more link is available. I'm going to showcase. Is there any prerequisite to take each level? This is a. I'm going to provide this path as well. As per this is Amazon portal, whatever the link you are going to just click on this link. If I click on this, it is AWS announcement, announcing more flexibility for a certification exam. So AWS certification validates skills and expertise within industry recognition. We are updating our AWS certification program to give more flexibility by removing prerequisites. You are allowed to attend any exam without any completion of pre-requirements. Hope it is clear.
Okay, so you don't need to go through associate for any.
There is no requirement. You can attend under this certification path. You can directly go to professional. If you are having expertise, you have a confident enough, you can attend even AWS certified solution architect professional exam without completing associate or cloud practitioner.
Yeah, specifically, I'm interested in data analytics,
Yes.
AWS.
Understand the concepts. Only thing they are going to mention that for associate, it should minimum expertise, like 3 years of experience they are going to mention. They are not going to ask any experience certificate and all those things. It is just information. Okay? You can attend the certification, no issues. Who is going to attend what certification? For sales professionals, management, who are managing the team, they can go for cloud practitioner is more than enough. Who are working technically, for them, AWS Certified Solution Architect is must. And after completion of AWS Solution Architect Associate, if you want to further enhance your career, you have to go for DevOps, AWS DevOps, wherein you are going to get a containers, Kubernetes, Terraform, all those services, how to use, how to implement, all those options are going to come into picture in that particular level. Yeah, is this certification details is clear? Any doubts on certification? We are going to cover one by one. No issues. I'll cover each and everything. Is any doubt on certification?
Yes, I have.
Yes.
This is Madan. I'm working as a data engineer. So which one shoots for me? Because we are using in our current project, we are using AWS as staging only. So we are not using much on the AWS part. So I'm just here to understand the logics. So which one shoots for me?
You can complete this course for understanding the basic content. Once you understand the basic content, whatever the role you are performing, AWS certified big data, data analytics, data analysis, and all those things comes under big data. So you can go to the AWS certified big data specialty without completing any previous pre-requirements. It is up to what is the knowledge you are going to gain, and at the same time you are going to get clear understanding the concepts and exam pattern. Then only you can attend the certification. Yeah, clear?
Yeah, okay.
Srinivas Anand, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, so if I want to go for a solution architect exam certification, so this is foundation exam is mandatory, or we can bypass and go directly for solution architect associate?
Yes, Amazon itself clearly mentioning that no need to, there is no pre-requirements. You see here, This is a site link I already provided in the chart window. You can understand by clicking on that link, you are going to get this particular exam information. There is no pre-requirements. You can attend any kind of exam. You can bypass previous certification path. But as per the recommended approach, what is the recommended approach? If you see recommended approach is first you need to understand what are the services are available, where we are going to implement those services, understanding that content, and then we are going to go for further courses. Yeah, clear?
Yeah, got it.
So completion of specific certificate, there is no pre-requirement. There is no any kind of showcasing prerequisites. No need to foundation, no need to cloud practitioner, anything. Okay. Here you can go for any certification as per your expertise, as per your confidence level. The only thing is that you need to practice. How do you practice? With a free tier account, I'm going to showcase now. Any questions related to certification? Hope everything is clear related to certification. Shall I move on?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Next important thing, as part of this course, everyone has to register AWS portal login. Here, whenever you are going to log in this AWS management console, I'm going to provide this link in the chart window. You just need to register. It is a mandatory. Whoever willing to learn about AWS cloud as their skill enhancement, they have to register this particular AWS management console to get to do practice. Every day you need to practice. Simply listening is not enough to get understanding of the implementation. Okay, so everyone has to log into this AWS management console, wherein you are going to register with your personal email ID. Okay, how to register? Whoever going to register, the first thing is that once you log into this AWS management console, click on that AWS management link which I provided in the chart window. Once you click on that link, you are going to get an option, create an account or sign into the console. As soon as sign into the console, you are going to get a first page here, create a new AWS account. You are going to create a new AWS account. Everyone who are interested to join continuing this session, AWS as a cloud, everyone, it is a cloud practitioner or associate or professional or big data, whatever activity you are planning to do, you have to register free tier account. Without this free tier account, you cannot do anything. Many guys, many people, many resources says that I don't have live environment to do the practice. This free tier account is more than enough live environment. You are going to get enough resources to do practice. You are going to design your own solution and you are going to do your own practice. That same practice, whatever you are going to do the practice, the same thing you can present it to the interviewer so that they are able to understand you are skilled enough to do their job. You have to present. If you are able to present in a right way, that means you practice enough in this particular portal. This is a free tier account. How to register free tier account? Click on this particular create new account. Whoever not part of AWS registration, please go and click on create a new AWS account. As soon as you click on this, you are going to get a different windows. You need to follow this windows as per this document. I already prepared the document. I already registered with my personal email ID. Everyone has to register this free tier account. It is absolutely free. I'm going to showcase what you are going to get. Let me complete what are the details need to provide as part of this free tier registration. Okay. First, as soon as create, you have to get email ID. Personal email ID. If you are willing to continue with official email ID, it's up to you. But email ID is mandatory. For that, you are going to get a code to register completion. Email ID, mobile number, and mobile number also important. So here I am going to mention here mail ID, mobile number, your address, billing address, and then debit or credit card. You have to enter debit card or credit card details to get the details, to get the amount. Initial transaction amount will be debited from your account, like 2 rupees for Indian users. For US who are paying to dollar, they are going to deduct by $1. As I'm telling that it is a free tier account, why this 2 rupees $1? Whatever the amount, it is going to validate your transaction, your card details, your financial details are correct. Once it is validated, within 3 days, whatever the amount it is deducted from your account, 2 rupees or $1, that will be refunded within 3 working days. That's the reason I'm telling that it is absolutely free. So no issues. Later I'm going to explain what are the situations are going to come into picture. If any billing is going to come, how to avoid billing, we are going to learn more about in upcoming sessions. Okay. First, we should have these details to create a registered account. It is a mandatory, everyone has to register account. Okay. This is a document is prepared with the screen captures what information need to provide. See, I provided the information, my email ID, and then I provided the information, account name, how it is going to look like, and verify email address. Automatically, you are going to get a code, SMS code for your register email ID, and then proceed with next. Then mention the verification code, whatever verification code you are going to get. Enter that verification code, move on. Then it is a 5-step process. 5-step process. To complete entire registration, it may take 10 to 15 minutes of time to enter the details, validate the details, and then once it is successful, you are able to log into the Amazon Management Console. So you are creating password in next session. For every fields are mandatory. All the fields are mandatory. Whenever you see that asterisk symbol, that means you need to mention information. So see here, click on continue 2 of 5. It is going to ask, choose, enter full name, country, address, enter city, state, postal code. All those things are mandatory. You have to mention all these details like this without any deviation. If you are not going to complete, you are not in a position to get registered. Okay, so once you complete all these things, information, you are able to proceed further. Next, the billing information. In billing information, you have to mention the billing information as per the requirement that either debit card or credit card, you have to enter there cautiously. Why? This payment authentication failed means that registration will not move forward. So whatever the debit card, credit card details you are going to enter, the debit or credit card information should be active. Okay. Don't think that I'm going to mention debit card. It is going to authenticate by deducting 2 rupees, by deducting $1 for US customers. Once authentication is successful, the amount will be deducted from the respective card, and then after 3 working days, that amount will be refunded. Whatever the amount is deducted. Okay, this is about billing information. You have to enter PAN card, credit card details, and all those things. Once you enter, see here, enter debit card, credit card information, what is expiry date, all those information you need to mention. You need to mention the mobile number and verify. Once you are going to get the password, the OTP, you have to enter OTP to move forward. Then confirmation, mobile code confirmation. Whatever the mobile number you are going to enter, you are going to get a code. Email verification, mobile verification through SMS. So once you enter the code, then only it will complete the successful email ID, debit card, mobile number, all those things are valid. You have to keep in front of you and then enter the details completely and then to complete this registration. Okay. And once final step is you are going to log into that particular individual. All these steps, the final step, the fifth 5 of 5. Here in this particular screen, you are going to get mentioned that there are 3 plans are available. You have to select basic support. Basic support is free. Once you select this basic support, don't select developer or business. This basic support is more than enough to do the practice for nearly 1 year. I'm going to explain what are the free tier limitations are going to come into picture. Okay, I have been using the free tier account since 6 months without any charge. Okay, I'm going to explain in upcoming session what are the charges are going to come into picture, why it is coming up. I'm going to explain each and everything while working on respect to service. Okay, so as part of registration completion, at the last step, you have to choose the basic support that is free. You select this and complete sign up. Click on complete sign up. That's you successfully completed the registration. Okay, this is the registration procedure. This document will be uploaded to LMS Graphy portal, not YouTube. YouTube only recorded session is available. It is a online instruction, clear online instructions are available. Everyone, whoever interested to learn this AWS course and further course, whatever the courses you are interested, this is the first step to complete registration. Without this, you cannot complete, you cannot perform any action. This you can treat as a live environment. Okay, I'm going to showcase how to create live environment on your own. Don't think that I don't have live environment to do day-to-day practice. I'm not currently working on the project. I'm going to learn now. I may forget. You have complete access, complete environment. You are daily, you can log into your environment and do the practice. What are the solution you have come across? Implement the solution and practice. Resolve the issues. What are the issues? You can replicate. Okay, that is the beauty of this cloud. Okay, so once again, I'm stressing here again and again, registration is mandatory. Who are completing, who are continuing registered, making the payment for next session, who are going to join next session, tomorrow session, they should be able to log into that AWS management console with their personal email ID. Don't think that I'll register later, I'll do practice later. No. You are joining this session for a cause and for an intention to learn the topics. Please register. This is without any delay, you have to complete this registration. This is absolutely free. What are the amount? Just 2 rupees, it is going to deduct authentication of your financial transaction. Once authentication is done, it will deduct from your account. After 3 days, it will be same amount will be refunded to your account. That is a beauty. So absolutely free. Any questions on this registration?
Srinivas, Anand here. What I heard is like this account is free and it's to deduct 2 rupees. But whenever we create machine, that we need to take care, right? Otherwise, it started billing. If I create a server EC2 instance and it is on, then it will charge. We need to power it off, right? After practical, something like that.
I'm going to discuss about in upcoming session. Let me explain free tier limitations. What is a free tier limitation so that you are going to crack. I have been using one account. My previous account is disabled and created a new account for this training purposes. So this 6 months, nothing I paid for practice sessions. Some amount is paid. There is a cost. There is a rule is there. I'm going to explain while explaining the content to each one of you. Okay. So it's absolutely free. Whatever the EC2 instances, whatever the activity you are going to do, it is absolutely free. I'm going to showcase what is the free. Any questions on this registration? Only ask questions about registration. Any doubt on registration, providing billing, credit card information or anything. Yes, please.
Can you please go through the process again and send me the link how to do it? I'm trying to do it today.
Yes, this document, if you are registered, this document will be uploaded to that LMS graphy and admin team is going to be available. If you are not going to get, and if you are already registered and you are not going to get that document on the LMS graphy, you can send a mail to support@logiclabstech.com. This particular document will be forwarded to respective email ID by support team.
Okay, so we have to go to sign into console and then.
It's so simple. Just log into this AWS management console. This is a screen wherein you are going to land over here. Just your personal email ID in this particular first screen. Verify email address. Everything online instructions are available. No need to refer this document. This document is just a reference. This how to register your repeater account. Only thing is that you need to mention you should have what are the details you should have mail ID, what debit card I need to enter, mobile number, what mobile number I need to enter to register, address and PAN card. That's it. If you have these 5 details, you can successfully complete your registration within 10 to 15 minutes.
I'm in US, so we don't need PAN card, right?
PAN card is not a mandatory.
Okay. And when you create from India, it will go into different account will be created in different location.
It is not like that. See, while you log into that AWS management console, you are going to provide, for example, you can choose where in this particular screen address you are going to mention, right?
Yeah.
Address and PIN code and all those things. See here, I mentioned Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills. I'm sitting in Bangalore. I mention Hyderabad as my city and Telangana PIN code. Then automatically it is the India users, right?
Okay.
So based on that, you can mention what are the debit card, credit card information you are going to mention. You will need to complete the payment instructions. That's it. Once you create the account, it doesn't matter you created from US, you created from India. Everything is accessible worldwide across all. Everyone is going to get same console. It doesn't matter US, India, or UK. Okay.
Yeah. One more issue I have is I have my company's account also. So we should be careful logging into practice instance or company's account.
Company's account, it is a billable. Whatever the activity you are going to do, you are not going to select a free tag. Okay. So I recommend if you have a company login details available, please don't use for practice. Okay. Create your own account, personal account, and in your personal account, you can replicate what is there in production. You can replicate here in your personal account. In personal account, whatever you do, it is up to you. It is not going to impact business. Okay, production environment. So don't use for to practice learning the topics. Don't use production environment. Whatever the login, you already might have the login details. Who are already working, having the access to the Amazon portal, wherein you are managing some service, either EC2 or DB or whatever it may be. Don't do trial and error and production environment. Sincerely, strictly no. You have to create personal account. It is a free account, no charges. We are going to learn how to complete your practice by using Peter. I'm here to explain each and everything without any billing. Okay? So please register with your personal email ID. Just understand the concept, how I'm going to use in production environment. That is, don't touch. In some environments, without any ticket, you should not log into the environment. Okay, you have to provide justification. Okay, to log into certain server to do certain activity. Okay, please strictly no for production environment. Whatever the topics you are going to learn here, it is only for your practice with your personal email ID. Hope I'm clear on this.
Yes, good morning. This is Manoj here.
Good morning, Manoj.
Yeah, I can't able to create account. While updating my personal email ID, there it's showing some red flag. Can you please assist me once?
Have you registered earlier with the
No.
same email? Check that email ID, that what are the space or anything. If it is not a valid account email ID, it shows a red flag.
Yeah.
If it is, just check that account at the rate or space between, any spelling mistake is there, anything.
No.
If you are getting red flag, use a different email account. Any account, you might have different email accounts. Gmail, Hotmail, Rediff, Yahoo, or
No,
anything.
there it's showing the email address format is not valid.
Where you are mentioning under root user email address, you are mentioning
Manoj Chaudhary 22@gmail.com.
okay. Before or after, are you copy paste? Don't do copy paste. One more thing, whatever the email ID you are going to mention, you have to type. Don't copy paste.
Yeah,
Copy
okay.
paste is not going to work. You have to type manually.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, copy paste. Don't do copy paste. Credit card, debit card number, or mobile number. Don't do copy paste. You have to type manually. Otherwise, it is not going to be valid.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So please complete this registration. I hope it is clear. Let me go with what is a free tier limitation. This is a free tier limitation. Either you can click on this link or else go open the Google search engine. Just mention AWS free tier limitations. You can search what are the information you are going to get free tier fact. The same information you are going to get what are the chart information I'm going to provide. Can we use different email and provide same credit card information? Will that allow free tier for the same person in different email ID? Yes. One of the resource mentioned that can we use different email ID and provide same credit card? I created 4 accounts in AWS Management Console by using only one credit card. Okay, credit card information, it is to just validate your financial information. That's it, nothing else. Okay, you are going to log in with your email ID. Okay, you can create number of email accounts, number of accounts in AWS. Okay, this is a link, free tier limitation. I'm just going to click on this particular link. So this is a beauty of this free tier, AWS free tier. What is the limitation? The first thing, most of the time we are going to work on EC2 and some other services. Understand this concept. 750 hours per month. Each month 750 hours, and that too 12 months free. You can create your live environment, your enterprise environment according to your solution designing and practice. Number of instances you can deploy, number of instances you can work per month 750 hours. For practice, for example, I'm going to do practice today. I'm going to deliver the session for 1 hour. Even if I spend 4 hours per day also, it is not going to complete 750 hours for EC2 instance. That is a beauty. Okay, not only EC2 instance, there are a couple of 3 services are available. Storage, Amazon storage, S3 storage, you are going to get 5 GB with this particular limitation. What is this limitations? 5 GB of standard storage, 20,000 GET requests, 22,000 put requests. What is all these things? I'm going to explain while discussing about storage concept. Similar way, database. See here, free tier, 12 months free. You can create a database instance as like you want. What are the instances? MySQL, Postgres, MariaDB, or SQL Server. You can create whatever the instance you are like, DB instance, and you can integrate without DB administrator, without SQL or Oracle instances. Will you able to create an instance? But Amazon is providing as Amazon RDS relational database service in which you are going to create one instance and integrate that instance with wherever you want, whatever the application you want, and test it and do the practice how the backup is going to work. See here, 20 GB of general purpose database storage. Whatever the instance you are going to create, that is free up to 20 GB of general purpose SSD database. We know that database disk intensive application, more IOPS. So they are providing 20 GB of general purpose SSD storage for database to practice your session, understanding the content, how to integrate, how to create a database. Not only database, not only 20 GB free for database, one more 20 GB, you can practice the backups, the DB admins, how they are going to do backups, daily backups, incremental backups. This service is going to provide automated backups facility. How it is going to perform? You can, without a SQL installation, without a DB installation, you are going to perform DB instance configured and integrated with any service. This is a free of RDS, storage, RDS database, Amazon DynamoDB, SageMaker, Lambda. These all services are free. So we are whatever the activity we are going to do in a cloud portal, we need to understand as we are working on free tier account, what are the service you are planning to understand before implementation. We have to understand what is my limitation, what can be covered under free tier. If you follow that, not even 1 rupee from your account. Even in addition to that, for example, without knowing anything, you deployed one service and a huge bill is come across. Whatever the debit card, credit card information you are going to provide during the registration, it is not going to detect directly. Whatever the bill it is going to generate, it is going to seek permission from you. If you are not happy to pay that account, automatically that account will be deactivated. Account will be deactivated. It is not going to detect not even 1 rupee, 1 paisa from your account without authorization. So if you use the service, whatever the free tier account is available for 12 months, you use it properly with under limitations, under guidelines, under recommendations. That's it. You are not going to get even single rupee, single paisa. It's just like a credit card. If you use the credit card as per the process, you are not going to get extra charges. If you are misuse the credit card, you end up paying huge penalties. Cloud also similar to that. If you use the services according to the limitations, according to the process and guidelines, no extra charges. You can enjoy 12 months free tier account. After 12 months free tier account, you would like to practice more. You create one more email account, register, do some again 12 months. You do practice whatever the way you want. Any clarification on the free tier limitations? Any doubts? Hope everything is clear. Any doubts about registration and free tier limitations?
Yeah, I just created my account.
Very good, great. Thank you. So just once free tier account is they understand, now I'm going to log into that AWS management console. If everyone is clear, I'm going to log into that AWS management console. See here, I registered. I'm going to log in to my management console. Root user, whatever the email ID you are going to provide, you have to log in with a root user. What? Someone is going to ask question, anything? If we use card for one account, can we use same card for other account? Yes, absolutely. You can create n number of accounts by using same credit card, same debit card, no issues.
So Srinivas, what is the difference between this root and IAM user?
Yes, good question. Root user is your organization account. What you are going to, your root user is nothing but organization. IAM user is nothing but under your organization, whatever the service you are going to give authentication to some user. We are going to create users, IAM users, and dedicate the some services to perform certain roles. We are going to understand while discussing about identity access management. There we are going to understand while choosing this IAM, when to choose IAM, how to log into by using IAM user. Now we created user ID by using root user. We are going to log in with root user. Yeah. So I'm going to log in with root user. Next. And what are the password you provided during the registration? You are going to log into the AWS management console. This is the beauty. And as I'm using services here and there during the delivering sessions, if you are going to first time log into the console, you are going to get recently used widget blank. Okay. Here, the top corner, left hand top corner, services. These are the services are available. You are going to use these all the services in different scenarios. We are going to practice all these different situations. Any doubt? Any doubt on this? So how to log into this AWS management console? Once you log into that AWS management console, this is the screen you are going to get. Okay. So what are these services are available? Where to click? So as soon as you connect to that AWS management console, the first thing is that your account information, it is going to be visible to whatever the account name you mentioned during the registration, it is going to be visible here. And next one, what is this? It is a region, which region it is connected. It is a Mumbai region it is connected. We are going to discuss about tomorrow's sessions, what is this region and all those things. And where to get a services information. What are the services categories are available? This is the services. Click on that services. You are going to get a list of all services under which what service we are going to practice and all those things we are going to see. For every session, we are going to click on services and how to get a different way to get the different services. All those things we are going to see. For example, EC2. To get a EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, I'm going to click on services and then go to compute to get EC2. This is a one way of to get desired service, or else next to services, there is a search option. You are not sure where to go, navigate and select the respective service. There are plenty of services are available. You are not sure where to go, how to select. Whatever the service you are looking for, just type here EC2. Search, it is going to give the display. That's it. You click on that, you are going to get the same place. Okay, so we are going to practice all those things, all the services, whatever we mention in the course content. Okay, we are going to do each and everything. And once I'm going to provide a live session, once live session is clear, then you are going to do practice without any delay. Don't think that, okay, by understanding the question time, everything I know. No, this is a navigation. Where to go, how to click. While doing the practice only, the mouse click, the mouse movement, where to go, where to click. While configuring only, you are going to get a different situations are going to come into picture. This practice, first time, second time, you are going to watch the record or the notes to click on the respective desired function. Third time and fourth time onwards, without dependence on record or note file, you are able to go directly and implement the configure the service. That's where the practice is important. Without registered account, you are not able to log into this console and you cannot navigate. Okay, some scenario questions, some an interview questions they are going to ask. how do you configure EC2? Where do you go? How to click? So you have to navigate. So while explaining this process, we are going to prepare a note section like this. Click on services, choose compute, click on EC2.
So one
EC2.
small question.
Yes, please.
While creating account, confirm your identity. It's showing personal user, business operations.
Personal user.
Personal users and ownership type, individual.
Individual. This is there in the document. Once again, good question. See here. Business. You are creating account. How do you plan use AWS? This here you need to mention instead of business, you need to mention personal or own purpose. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. And at the end of the screen, you need to mention basic plan. That is important.
Yeah.
This is a basic plan. First option. Don't choose, no need to pay anything. Okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Any other doubts? Yes, load balancer is available in free tier. We are going to create load balancer application, network load balancer, gateway load balancers are available. We are going to create load balancer and implement it the respective service. Okay. Load balancer is mentioned in the compute also in the course content. Good question. Any other questions? Thanks for joining. Please, if you are not registered, please go and register. And if you want still more confirmation, please join this free demo sessions until 5 sessions free to attend. Okay, from 6th session onwards, you are going to get a separate Zoom link. So if you are happy with the way of the training and the learning of opportunities, please register and complete the payment so that you are going to get LMS Graphy portal access and you can check the access, how the recordings, how the node files you are going to upload to access the respective files. Yeah, please go to this. If you are not having the information and WhatsApp community, our admin team is keep on providing payment link information to complete the payment directions. If you don't have payment information, log into this upcoming batches information, wherein you will find buy now. As soon as you click here buy now, automatically choose the respective batch. What are the batch you are going to choose? Please desired button you need to click. Once you complete the registration for the respective batch, it is not possible to transfer from one batch to another batch. Okay, please select the desired batch details to enroll, to register. Hope it is clear. That is all for today. See you tomorrow. Thanks for all your participation. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.